We have all kinds of new developments to tell you about overnight on the coronavirus. The big headline is that Asian stock markets are following Wall Street's lead this morning and plunging amid fears that the coronavirus is spreading.
And those fears are real because the virus is now confirmed to be in Nigeria. It's the first case in sub-Saharan Africa. There's also a new case in New Zealand.
Meanwhile, South Korea is reporting 315 new cases, bringing its total up to 571. That's a big deal because that means China didn't have as many new cases today. This morning, hundreds waited in line in Seoul to buy face masks.
More than 2,800 people have died from the virus worldwide. 83,000 others are infected, 60 in the U.S. That number is expected to go up, too.
Channel 3's Patricia Del Rio joins us. She's live in Milford. And Patricia, that's where lawmakers are meeting today to talk about how the state will prepare, right?
Yes, they certainly are. Many feel it's not a matter of if, but when the coronavirus would hit Connecticut. And so Senators Murphy and Blumenthal are meeting here in Milford with health officials to try and figure out what the federal government can do to get Connecticut ready. As the Centers for Disease Control announces all Americans should prepare for a coronavirus crisis in the United States, Connecticut Senators Murphy and Blumenthal are meeting with top health officials in the state to focus on what resources it needs to test, treat, and prevent the disease. Meantime, precautions are being made on college campuses throughout the state. The CSCU system issued a mandate to bring back students studying abroad in countries that have had a heavy outbreak of the virus. The school is also hoping students will be cautious when spring break arrives in 2 weeks.
I'm definitely going to pay attention to people around me, whether or not they're coughing and covering their mouths, sneezing, washing my hands, certainly for sure, much more paying attention to that. Yeah, I'm not going overseas, so I'm not too worried about it.
CSCU does have 4 students right now in Florence, Italy studying, and they are working to bring back those students quickly and safely. Meantime, this meeting with Blumenthal and Murphy and the health officials will be here today at 2:30. We're live in Milford. I'm Patricia Del Rio, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.